In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to walk through how to open your appointment request form in the Jotform form builder, access the element controls, and add a signature field so people can sign directly on your form. I'll keep it simple, clear, and give you helpful tips along the way. First, make sure you're working inside the Jotform form builder with your appointment request form open. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the form canvas in the middle and the familiar builder tools around it. If you're opening an existing form, you'll land on the editing view where you can add, remove, or rearrange fields without affecting previously received submissions. Next, open the Add Form Elements panel. This is where all the building blocks live, including basic fields like name and email, as well as specialized inputs. Look to the left side of the builder for the Add Form Elements button or panel. When you click it, a drawer opens showing categories and a search bar. If your panel is already expanded, you're all set. Just make sure you're on the Basic tab so you can quickly find core fields. Now add the signature field. You can scroll through the list until you see signature, or simply type signature into the search box to jump to it. Click it once to add it to your form, or drag and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. Most people place the signature near the end of the form after any consent text or summary of the request so signers clearly understand what they're agreeing to. With the field on your form, take a moment to fine-tune it. Click the field to open its properties and update the label to something clear like, "Please sign below." If your process requires a signature on every submission, toggle the field to required so the form can't be submitted without it. You can also add a short description to clarify what the signer is acknowledging. If needed, adjust styling so the signature area is large enough on both desktop and mobile, and review accessibility settings to ensure a smooth experience for all users. That's it. You open the appointment request form in the builder, access the Add Form Elements panel, and added a signature field. Before you share your form, give it a quick test using the preview to confirm the signature feels natural and saves correctly. When everything looks good, your form is ready to collect signed appointment requests confidently and securely.